Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily disable synchronization between Google Photos and Gallery on your iPhone. Friends, don't forget to put likes under the video, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. So, let's get on with this topic. And if for some reason you no longer need, and you don't want there to be a synchronization between the Gallery on your iPhone and the Google Photos app, where all your media files are copied, it's very easy to disable this synchronization. To do this, you will need to open the Google Photos app on your device. Now I will show you from the very beginning. You open Google Photos. Next, you need to from the main page in which you will open. On the top right-hand side, click on your Google profile picture. Now at the bottom, select the Google Photos Settings option. And next, you need to go to the very first option, which is called Backup. Here you will see that the Backup or Synchronization option is active. And the only thing you need to do is click on this button here to stop that backup. And you'll be able to see that you've turned it off. When you look at your profile picture on the top right, and you'll see that there's a very small cloud sign that's crossed out. That means that the cloud is not currently active and synchronization is disabled. There are times when the synchronization between Google Photos and the Gallery turns on by itself. So periodically, I recommend that you go into the Google Photo app and check to see if you have this backup activated. And if it is, just go in and deactivate it. That's how you can quickly and easily disable Google Photos Sync on iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, don't forget to put likes and subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.